Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. It's December 27th, 2 days after Christmas, and just want to show you a little bit what I've been working on. Some knitting. See, the idea is to first create a little circle, like a little loop, a little circle, and you hold your finger like this on your little knitting needle. Then you take your thread and wrap it around, and then you pull it through. You pull that through like that. And then, since I already started this earlier, then you put it inside here. Find two loops. You see how this is made like this? So you just want to stick your needle at the top of it. Stick your needle at the top and through the holes and wrap it around. Pull it back through. Wrap it around again. Then pull it back through all two of them. So I find a hole, two holes at the top. Then I wrap it around like this. Wrap it twice. So the idea is to put it in there, wrap it around, pull it down like that, wrap it again. Wrap it around. So I like to stick it in there like that. Like that. So stick it in there, stick it in the hole, wrap it around. So wrap it back through the hole, stick it through the hole, wrap it around again. Wrap it around. See? So in other words, I'll stick it through the hole like that, then I wrap it around, pull it through there again. So stick it on in the hole, wrap it around, pull it through. So then, see how long it is? I'm trying to make a skull. So what I do, stick it on in there like that, wrap that around, pull that out like that.
As a struggling actor, makes it like get a Liberty Butch month. Liberty Bibbity.
So I started this earlier.
So you only pay for what you need. Only pay for what you need.
It's going to be a scarf. So
someday at Christmas there won't be boys playing with bombs like kids play with toys. One
So I stick it in. See how that came.
Someday at Christmas, there'll be no wrongs. When we have learned what Christmas is for, when we have found what life's really worth, there'll be peace on earth. Someday on
So it'll be long.
someday in a world for me and free. Maybe that's hard when you and me, but someday at Christmas time.
So just a little bit something I'm working on. You can also look at other YouTube channels, and so I have plenty of thread that I'm working on. This is going to be a scarf, and also have me some these are crochet needles. Now these knitting needles too. These are knitting needles too. So these are knitting needles, and then I have this knitting needles too, different colors. So see what you can make a nice scarf. And this right here, look at that. 5 different patterns online, kids items and stuff you can put together. www.simplicity.com. So it also has some white thread, but so you just stick it in there, pull it out, then wrap it around, and then take all both of them out. In other words, like I said, when you first started out, I can show you how I first started out. When you initially started out, and this is a thicker needle, this type of needle, and this is a thinner one. So what I usually do is, start it off like this. I know some people, they take it, they may wrap it around their finger and do that, all that, but all I do is make a little, take the thread like that, and I make a little circle like that. See, make your little hoop like that, and then just tie it. Just tie it so it can be like a, just tie it like it can be. So once you tie it, you just have a little circle like that. See. So when I little circle like that, so what I do, then I take I never tried a big needle like this, but you can also try this big one. Put it on there like that once you do that, and hold your finger like this. And then what you do, you just take it, hold it like that. Once you hold this like this, so you can hold it steady, but I usually hold this right here too. And then I take this and wrap it around like this. And once I do that, I wrap it around. I might want to do about maybe 10 of them. See, I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you got 6. Try to do about 20 of them maybe. So that's 6. That's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See how it turns out? It's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, how many you want. You know, it depends on how many you want and how long. In other words, if it's going to be a scarf, it could be this wide. So it could be that wide. So then once you have your long, you have it long, in other words, the scarf can be this wide. So then what I do, since that's like that, then I go, then I tilt, so once it's long like that, then I tilt my needle and I go in the top. Go to the top of the thread, go in the top of the thread, and go back inside, just do the same routine. And then wrap it around, and I take both of them. So then I go, and this needle is kind of big, so I'm gonna switch needles. This needle's so big. Let me try the small one. I want to try the small one. So what I do, I go in the top. So I'll go all the way across. This is just to show you. Then you go across, go around. So what I do, then I go inside. Then wrap this around. Go inside, wrap it around, then pull it through. And also you can wrap it again if you want to, and just see how I pull it. Pull it. Then I go in again. Wrap it. So this is just a little sample piece. So that's just a little, this is the initial one I was working on. So what I do, see, so in other words, stick it through here, then I wrap it, put it on through. So stick it on there, stick it in, then I wrap it, pull it out. Stick it in, wrap it, pull it out, then pull it, wrap it. So just something that, you know, you can work on in your spare time. So it's supposed to be a scarf. It's shaping up very nicely. So stick that in there like that, wrap it. Wrap it. Stick it in, then wrap it, pull it through. So you put it inside of the other one. And stick it in, wrap it, put it on through. Put it on through. So, you just make it, and also, the patterns you get. So I'm just doing this without a pattern, just practicing on my stitching. So I didn't have a pattern, but I'm just trying to make it. I did it without a pattern, so what I do, I stick it on in here. So you stick it in and wrap it, put it on through. So in other words, I put it through the hole, bring it up, wrap it. So what I do, I like to just, cross the top. You find the little openings at the top. Don't just stick it all down in here when you just at the top. So in other words, you stick it in the top where I find a hole at the top. So in other words, I stick it in a little hole at the top, then I wrap it. Wrap it again, then I take it through both. So in other words, you stick it in, or stick it in the same hole. But as you keep on moving around, you will get the hang of it. So I'm just getting the hang of it. So, yep. Let's see how it comes out. Oh, this is what I did earlier. So, I never tried it with these big needles that I have. I guess they work the same. So what I do, let's see what that scissors. See a needle like this? They have, different styles I showed you earlier. So I never tried it with this needle right here, but I guess it'll work the same. So in other words, like I said, you have your thread, you have your needle, and then what I do, I just take it and make a little circle. See, just make a little hoop. So it was a little straight, long piece of thread. Then I just wrap it around, make a little circle, tie a little knot, and then hold it on there like this. So hold this piece right here like this, and I just wrap it like this. It's probably a different way to do it, just like this, I guess, because you don't have that curve in the needle. It said knitting needle, so I never really tried it. See, this don't have the curve. I wouldn't try with these needles. These are a little harder to do. But you can still make it work though, see? Once you make your, still can make it work. This is just a little practice. See? Then, but they loose, but I wouldn't recommend this needle right here. I don't really like this needle. But I bought a whole pack of them anyway. But I like the curvy needles. I like these curvy ones with the little tip. So in other words, you make your little circle here, like I said, and then you put your, you tie a little knot, and then that's how you have it. Then you hold it. I will hold it right here, and then just take this wrap around like that. And then as you go, you make about 20 of these like this. Wrap it around, pull it through, wrap it around, pull it through.
Get YouTube Music Premium to listen offline.
Wrap around, pull it through, wrap it, pull it through, wrap it around. You can make them tighter. This is just an example. You can make them tight. And so, so then once you finish with this part here, once it's long enough, depending on what you want to make, and it's also good to get you some patterns, see? So, as I said, I just tighten them up and wrap it around. Wrap it around. Wrap it around. And see how long it will be. So then once you get it long like that, then you start at the top. You just go on the top and do the same thing. Stick it in the hole at the top, and then wrap it around and bring it all the way through. Wrap it again, then you bring it all the way through all of them. Then you stick it in another hole, or you can stick it in the middle, and then wrap it, bring it back through. Wrap it. Then stick it in. You can make yours tight as you want. Stick it around, pull it through, then pull it through, wrap it around like that, and then this will be just coming out to the roll. It's not going to look like this, but once you make yours tighter, and so stick it in there, wrap it around, put it on, wrap it. Stick it in the middle, wrap it around, put it on through, pull it on through. And as you go along, it'll be, this is a little loose, but yours will be a little tighter once you know. So in other words, like I said, stick it in the hole. You can stick it in the middle and try to make yours can be close together, but I'm just doing mine. Wrap it around. And so that's just a little demonstration. And I have something else what I want to do. I want to do a little bit of unboxing. So the unboxing of my Christmas gift. one right here. Let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay. Somebody gave me a gift. Let me see what this is. Oh, that's nice. Just some little locks that I got. Some little locks. So, came in a box like this, and I just took all the wrapping paper off. So, this is real nice. You got these little keys. I got the little keys right here, so the keys just stick in here, and you got your little keys. And stick the little keys in here and open it up. These are the keys. So that was one. And then this is another one. Oh, this comes with little keys too. See the little keys? That's cute. Little keys, and this is the lock. So you know where you got something you want to lock up your bike, your bicycle or something. That's cute. Let's see what I have next. Let's see what we got next. Let's see. Like the rattle Christmas paper. See what we got. What we have here. Oh, okay. More copies of my book. More copies of my books that I had for Christmas. The back. These are the books that I wrote. You can find them find them in the Google Play Store and the ebooks. Okay, let's see what else I have. What could this be? What could that be? Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. What could that be? Oh, brand new t-shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brand new t-shirts. Oh, that's nice. Socks. Beautiful socks. Hey, happy holidays. Let's see what we got in the next one. Let's see what this is. Oh, I got some more yarn. I was just showing you how to do the little knitting. Some more yarn. I got some more yarn for my little knitting. And then I have a white one. Nice white yarn. that's what it is. What could that be? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you. Now what this is? Oh, some nice hair products. Some hair products. Hair oil. That's some hair growth. Conditioner. Conditioner. Hair growth balm. This is some shampoo. See what this is. Oh, some nice paper, so I can continue to write my books and stuff. Paper, so I can continue writing my books. Letter, printer paper, thick too. One more. One more. Let's see what this is. What is this one? One more box. One more. Let's see what else we got to listen to. One more box.
Seven rings.
One last box.
Hold up. I got it.
One last box. Let's see what it is. this hair balm. This is hair growth. So it smells so good too. It smells good. See the color of it? And you just take a little bit and probably put it on your hair like that. Might make your hair grow. I got what you want, you got what I want. We were made. Smells so good. You can smell it. Forever mine. And I'm so glad. Smells so good. It gets better with time. Then I have the conditioner and the shampoo and conditioner. And this is the hair oil somebody got me for Christmas. I don't like to put too much stuff on my hair, but I get the hair oil. All natural from Wholesale Natural Body Care. Wholesale Natural Body Care. You can find them online. Put it on your hair like that. Wholesale Natural Body Care. I don't know if you can see that address on there, but it's Wholesale Natural Body Care. I need what you need. You need what I need. www.wholesalenaturalbodycare. Yes. So, okay, finished with my unboxing. Nice socks that somebody got me. Yeah. And I want to say welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me. You can also join my channel, Counting for Real. So that's what I said on my counting channel when I'm talking about debit and credit rules. One rule is deal with the cash account. You invest $100,000 in your business, and then you invest $100,000 in your business. So with debit cash, I would debit cash $100,000, credit on my equity $100,000. As I said earlier on my counting channel, when it comes to the asset account, debit on the left will increase, credit on the right will decrease. And when it comes to a liabilities account, like account payable, you want credit on the right hand side will increase, and debit on the left will decrease. So that's my Counting for Real channel. That's what I usually talk about on my Counting for Real channel. And also, I want to thank you for joining me today for my unboxing and my demonstration of my demonstration of my unboxing. And I hope to see you again back here, same place, same time. And also, check out my Counting for Real channel where I demonstrate, where I'm teaching my teaching accounting tutorial, debits, credit, depreciation, accumulated depreciation expense. We have revenue account, interest revenue, sales revenue, and I also have I do examples of balance sheets, income statements of all of that. So thank you today for joining me. I hope you had a nice holiday. Hope to see you back here next same place, same time. Hope you have a nice New Year. So I want to say you all have a good one. Add to their playlist.